Hello everyone, this is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today let's go for a drive in this 2024 BMW X3 M40i. Let's get the steering rack adjusted, or wheel adjusted real quick. But yeah, this vehicle has 382 horsepower, 369 pound-feet of torque, and a 3-liter turbocharged inline-6 with an 8-speed automatic transmission. I've always liked the BMW X3 M40i, really nice SUV. If you don't want to go for a full X3M, this is the one you get. It's more comfortable to drive, still has great power, it's really fast, sounds pretty good, but it's like a midway between an X3 and an X3M. And you have a nice screen in here. It's a bigger screen in this facelifted X3. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, both wireless, very easy to use. You also have the nice digital gauge cluster, and this is iDrive 7, which I prefer over iDrive 8. It's way better. I do not like iDrive 8 very much because of that giant wraparound screen. And then you have sport mode, which will make the exhaust a little bit louder. Sounds really good. You have the wood trim in this one, black interior. Let's get some light in the cabin by opening that panoramic sunroof sunshade. Let's walk around this X3, see what it looks like. Exterior is finished in mineral white metallic, black mirror caps. You also have the wing mirrors, red brake calipers, and M Sport wheels. M on the front grille, black grills, and you also have LED headlights, of course. Really cool taillights. They look like Halo energy swords. That's what they remind me of. M40i badge, dual outlet exhaust. Let me unlock the car so we can have a better look. I mean, you have the X3 rear floor mats, also in the front, the all-weather mats. And I love the tint on this, it's really nice. And here's the trunk. You have a cargo cover too. Let's get out on the road and see how it drives. I made a video on an X4 M40i the other day, which a lot of people seem to like, so I'm glad I can bring this X3 as well for the channel. The steering is really nice. You also have the M Sport steering wheel. This one has heated seats and heated steering wheel. And you also have a head-up display. The exhaust crackles and pops, sounds really good. Yeah, this thing's a pretty serious machine too. Like, X3M is monstrous, but this thing is pretty awesome. Those are some harsh gear shifts. That's awesome. And whenever you upshift, you can hear those pops, which is really cool. It's very audible. Definitely makes the driving experience really fun, that's for sure. I like the shift paddles behind the steering wheel as well. So I have navigation built in if you want to use that, but I would just use the Apple CarPlay Android Auto personally. Go to vehicle status, you can see the services and everything like that are needed. That's a nice X5M over there. Dang, this thing is fast. And then the gear shifts are awesome, whether you let the car shift itself or use the paddles. This thing is eager to go. Suspension feels very good, very firm. The thing with the X3M is that it is really, really harsh. Like, you will feel every bump, and it feels crazy harsh for being an SUV. And that gets a little old sometimes, but this car I think is a good balance, especially for daily driving. I mean, you put your foot down, it'll fly. Like, I'm telling you, this thing's a beast. especially in Sport Plus, the gear hang will be a little higher, so you can, you know, really get every bit out of each gear that you're in, which is pretty cool. Pretty wet right now outside, but this thing still feels very, you know, planted and everything like that. It doesn't feel unwieldy at all. Like BMW M performance vehicles and full M vehicles are amazing. Like the way they drive, nothing really drives like a BMW M car. I mean, you all know I drive a G80 M3, which I absolutely love. It's a monster. Manual transmission, really fun. Nothing like it. Yeah, like even like this car is just, this is a really fun daily driver. It looks really good. You can use it for everything. Very versatile. Really quick, great handling. Sounds phenomenal. Like it sounds really, really good stock. And man, do I love the M Sport steering wheel. Like I really prefer iDrive 7 because iDrive 8, it's just too much going on and it just doesn't fit the characteristic of an M car in my opinion. Like I love iDrive 7 in my car, like the nice gauge cluster, really beautiful design, and then a nice screen. Like you don't need to do this whole wraparound thing. I hate that. Like that looks good in the in like the i4 or like an X7 or something, but not in an M car. Like it's just not my thing. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think of that, because I feel pretty strongly about it. Wow, what a beast. This thing is so fun. You've put the sport displays, you could see the horsepower and torque over there. I don't know if you can get glass controls in this car, but glass controls are cool. I don't know if the M40 X3 M40i comes with that. I got that really cool X5 silver X5M behind me, F85, pretty nice. The visibility is pretty good in this car. I would like this wood trim, but I personally would prefer carbon fiber or aluminum rhombical anthracite, at least in an M car. But the wood does look good. It's like high quality wood. It's open pore wood trim, not like that cheap plasticky fake wood trim. So I like that. That's a good touch. Awesome power. What a beast. And also the e-boost kicks in. I think that's like the mild hybrid battery, which will give you like some electric assistance. But man, this car is awesome. I love it. To my friend Dave, who's watching this video, you should definitely get this car. I see why you want it so bad. Yeah, this thing's awesome. I'm just gonna put in like the regular sport mode for now. God, this thing has so much, you know, so much thrust with the acceleration. It feels so much more than 382 horsepower. This is so fun to drive. Like, it's an SUV, but it feels like a high performance sedan or a coupe. Man, BMW knows how to make performance cars. They really do know what they're doing. Yeah, this is ridiculous. I did not know it was this fast. I've driven some X3 M40i's before, but I guess I never really like tried to see what how fast they could really go or what kind of power they had. But yeah, I'm pretty blown away by this thing. I didn't know it was, who needs an X3M at this point? If the X3 M40 is this crazy, like, dang. I've driven a 2020 X3 M40i and a 21, but like I guess even that X4 M40i I drove, which I made a video on, if you guys have seen that, I posted last week or something. I don't know, it didn't feel this fast. Maybe it's just placebo or something, but I don't know what's different about this, but it's awesome. It feels crazy fast, like. Overall, this is a fantastic vehicle from BMW, 10 on 10. Thanks for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubb's Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for brand new, certified pre-owned or pre-owned BMWs.